you can't be dominated against the team Richards Bay. Which team ozoyidominate ke wena? Noma ngabe winile uKaizer Chiefs asithi they won. Badlala the way badlala ngakhona. Ushould benzoshaya izandla. Nasiqale ngeposition number 5, number 12, you can't tell. Ukuthi lezi ku number 12 and then ngisho Richards Bay Kaizer Chiefs they are number 5. You can't tell, Virgin. That's why sometimes when you win, check how you win. Amama team when they win ikushawa izandla, but how you win. I mean, you can't be dominated. Just come down the first half. How many? Labachita about press Kaizer Chiefs in their half. They never backpedal. Nkuluma goal kick Kaizer Chiefs never backpedal. Mahala, ulomchita lo on the left hand side. Yana lomfana lo kumete. Usanele as well. Upans on the right hand side. And then abo zikhali push na bomthembu nomthetho. They push. Ngisho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs have a goal kick. Bebanga allow ukuthi iphume la yafini yabo. They press and Kaizer Chiefs players why losing the ball ngepass. Not ukuthi balithathe enyaweni ngikhuluma nga first half. Where's the confidence? Very disappointing you playing for Kaizer Chiefs.